Have you ever wondered what you have in common with a giant oak tree or a tiny garden snail? It's more than you might think. Every living thing on Earth, from the smallest bug to the biggest whale, operates on the same secret checklist for survival. It's a recipe for life. First on that list is water. Think of running on a hot day, that desperate thirst for a drink. Every living thing feels that need. Water keeps our bodies working, moving nutrients around. A cactus needs just a little, a whale needs an ocean's worth, but absolutely everything needs some. Next up is food, the fuel for adventure. Without it, there's no energy to grow, move, or play. Animals find their fuel by eating plants or other animals, but plants are master chefs. They don't eat, they make their own food from sunlight, air, and water, a process called photosynthesis. Then there's air. Take a deep breath. That oxygen is vital. Land animals breathe it directly. Fish are cleverer. They use special gills to pull dissolved air right out of the water. Even plants breathe through tiny pores in their leaves, constantly exchanging gases with the world around them. Finally, shelter. It's more than a roof, it's a safe place. A bird builds a nest to guard its eggs, a rabbit digs a burrow to hide from foxes, and a turtle, it carries its shelter right on its back. Shelter is protection from the blazing sun, the freezing snow, and anything that might cause harm. So, water, food, air, and shelter. These aren't just random items, they are the 4 fundamental keys to life. Understanding the secret recipe doesn't just make us smarter, it makes us better caretakers for our pets, our gardens, and our entire planet. It's our shared blueprint for survival.